Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 30th January. And first of all, national news. US H-1B visa applications for skilled workers to begin from March 1st. Adani confident of new issue, sailing through stock sell-off under probe. Air Asia flight aborts take off after suspected bird hit at Lucknow airport. India's dream of decade will be fulfilled by its innovators, PM Modi. Leopard died of shock after being trapped in chicken coop in Kerala. President Murmu inaugurated Udyan Utsav 2023, open to public from Tuesday. PM Modi chaired Council of Ministers meet ahead of Budget 2023. Indigo passenger tried to remove emergency exit, cover mid-air case filed. Rahul Gandhi raised Indian flag in Srinagar on last day of March. Rupees 1,000 to poor women. Shivraj Chauhan's new scheme in election year. Citing Padma Awards, PM Modi hailed tribal communities in first Mann Ki Baat of 2023. India looking for solutions for many nations, UN General Assembly Chief. And now some international news. Joe Biden faced backlash from fact checkers over misleading statements about the economy. UK PM dismissed Conservative Party chairman after tax probe. 6.3 magnitude earthquake hit Pakistan, tremors felt in several cities. Assets will be used for our defense. Ukraine sanctions Russian firms. My gut says we'll fight in 2025. US general on war with China. India strongly condemns terror attack in Israel's Jerusalem. Russia accused Ukraine of deliberate strike on hospital. 14 killed. Now some sports news. Men's hockey World Cup. Netherlands down Australia 3-1, clinch bronze medal. Asian Games will be a hockey qualifying event for 2024 Olympics. International Hockey Federation president confirmed. Novak Djokovic won Australian Open to equal Rafael Nadal's 22 Grand Slam titles. India's script history became first ever champions of under-19 Women's T20 World Cup. Now news related to business. Adani Group ruled out changes in price, dates of sale of new shares. Semiconductor shortage continues to impact production, Maruti Suzuki CFO. FPI's adopted cautious stance ahead of budget, take out 17,000 crore from equities in January. Netherlands emerging as key export destination for India amid jump in shipments of petroleum products. Domestic institutions bought stocks worth Rs 4,252 crore when market crashed on Friday. News from Science and Technology. Asteroid 2023 BU just passed a few thousand kilometers from Earth. Mass extinction traced to ozone depletion, fossil pollen, sunscreen, evidence emerges. And that's all in news. Thank you.